Please activate the subtitles. My name is Roger Color and this video is going to be very quick. And for this video it's extremely important that I activate the subtitles. Have you done it? So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I've got to tell you that I've decided to take part in a contest, a YouTube contest.
What is this contest about?
Oh, you're here? Oh, if you don't know him, he's my student. His name is Roger. I'm a teacher and he's my student.
Yes, and your name is Roger too, and you are my teacher. You teach me many things.
Oh, yes, but...
So what's this contest about?
Oh, it's called Méliuz Challenge, and I'm gonna have to take part in many different challenges that they will tell me to do. You know, crazy things here on the channel. And the winner of this challenge will get many different prizes such as 30,000 reais, a professional camera, among other things. So I really want to win it.
Do you really want to win it?
Yes, I really want to win it.
Méliuz Challenge? But what is Méliuz?
That's a very convenient question because as part of my first video, I need to explain to you what Méliuz is all about. Méliuz is the most important cashback company in Brazil.
Cashback? What is that?
Cashback is when you get your cash back.
I don't get it.
You like shopping online, don't you?
Yes, I always buy many things online. I always buy many toys. Maybe we can play together.
Toys? What do you mean?
Well, I'm a child, so I play with toys, you know, my Barbies, my dolls.
Oh, okay. So if you buy something using Méliuz, you get part of this money back. So that's why it's called Cashback Company. So if I buy something using Méliuz, I'll get some of the money back. But why would Méliuz give me money? Well, it's very easy. You know, the stores pay Méliuz for advertisement and then Méliuz shares this money with everybody. So everybody wins. So there will be many challenges here on the channel. Méliuz will give me challenges and I have to perform them here and make videos based on these challenges. And it could be about anything, so many crazy things will happen here on this channel.
So it could be anything, right? Really anything?
Yes, anything. Why?
What if they ask you to go bungee jumping?
I'll do it.
What if they ask you to go running naked on the street and dancing naked, screaming, "My name is Natasha, I'm looking for love"? Would you do that?
Of course, man, I'll do it. I'm not afraid of anything.
What if they ask you to kiss my lips?
I won't do it.
I see. So what's the first challenge?
For the moment, I just have to make this video here talking about my channel and a little bit about myself. So about my channel, I've created this channel because I wanted to do something innovative. Because there are many channels here on YouTube with many great teachers teaching English, but they teach English in Portuguese. So I thought to myself, I'm gonna do something different because I really believe in a method named immersion. So it's based on the idea that the more exposed you are to a language, the better and the more efficiently you will learn it. The same way you learned Portuguese, for example, by being exposed to it. So I want to offer you material and enough content for you to practice your English and to be exposed to English. So I teach English in English. So in all of my videos you'll see that you can activate the subtitles in your language and in English. And I've talked about this many times in other videos, so please watch all of my videos and find out. If you're a basic student and if you subscribe to my channel, you can follow this playlist here, Basic Course 2.0, in which you can follow the classes one by one, you know, from the very basic class, and then you go like from class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, following the order, and then you can download the PDF files for each class. You know, the PDF files are based on each class and you can download them for free, you know, free of charge. You don't have to pay for anything. So I want you to use my channel as a real-life English school, but better. I really want you to speak English as well as I can, and you can do it. So my channel is not only about giving tips on how to study, it's not only about teaching a word here and there, teaching you vocabulary, it's about giving you tips, teaching you vocabulary, but also giving you the opportunity to really learn English, okay? For free of charge. Also, if you subscribe to the channel, you'll be granted access to our group on Telegram so that you can practice your English with voice messages and text messages. So today there are 600 people in the group, so the idea is that you talk all the time in English, you chat all the time in English using voice messages, text messages, and practice what you know. So you can use my channel as a real-life English school. If you're a basic student with my Basic Course 2.0 and download the PDF files to do the exercises, or if you are intermediate or advanced student, you can practice what you already know, communicating with other people. You just need to subscribe to the channel. Okay, the most difficult thing about this whole idea is that I don't really have much time to do this as much as I wanted to, as much as I would like to, because I work a lot. I have 3 jobs. I only make videos after midnight. And this is a little bit complicated because I don't have time to sleep and then, you know.
So you make videos after midnight, right? I can't find your channel here.
Let me see it. No man, it's not on Next Videos, it's on YouTube.
Ah, okay, sorry.
I don't make videos for X videos anymore.
Yes, I remember people used to call you Mr. Dark Horse, right?
I only make videos for YouTube, okay? Okay, now a little bit about myself. I'm a teacher, a translator, and a professional dancer.
I have a pen, I have my hands. My pen is in my hands. I have a pen, it's in my hands. The pen is in my hand. My pen is in my hand. My pen is in my hand. My pen is in my hand.
I dance naked on Augusta Street every night for coins. No, I'm just kidding. I've got many certificates of proficiency by the University of Cambridge. But that's it, I work and I'm a nerd, you know. I'm studying all the time. I read books, I speak other languages. I've already talked about this in different videos, so. But at this moment, I need to ask you to vote for this video, to vote for me, you know, so I need your help, your support. Please vote for me. If you vote for me, you will be helping me and you might get an iPhone X. The link will be in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment down below. So click on it, vote for me there. You're gonna help me a lot.
Please click the big red button to subscribe. It really helps me when you do that, and click the bell to allow notifications so you will never miss new videos. Thank you very much.